Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'll be talking about version history in Google Slides and the safe way and the unsafe way to revert to a previous version of a Google Slides document. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel and like the video, and let's get started. So here is my slides presentation. Always recommend opening it up in Google Chrome, whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, or a Chromebook. And basically what you want to do, open up the presentation, go to File, go to Version History, and then select See Version History. So what this is going to do, it's going to show all the versions in the right column here that I've used over a very long period of time, for like 5 years. Now, let's say that I wanted to take this version here, and you can actually see on this is like 5 years ago, as I was going through and making changes. And I want to take this version, March 4th, 5 years ago at 6:19 p.m., and I want to restore this version for some reason. There's two ways to do it. Go to the three dots, the More Actions icon, click it. Now, it'll kind of preview it here, so I can check it out. And right away I see that the title slide looks a little bit different, and probably there's some other changes here too. And if I selected Restore this version, that means it would basically get rid of all the versions since then, and this would be the new latest version from 5 years ago. Now, you can see how that's useful, because if you, for some reason, you need to go back to an earlier version and start from there, that's great. The problem with this is that once you do that, all of the newer versions will be kind of harder to get at. It's possible to do it, but it's kind of a pain in the neck. So what I always recommend doing is actually making a copy. If you make a copy, that means you'll have the old version and the new version. So what I can do is call this old version, Lean Media, and it has the date there. I'm going to save it to the same drive, the same folder. I'm going to share it with the same people. I'm going to select OK. What it will do is we'll open it up in a new browser window. And I can continue on my merry way with what I want to do with the slides presentation. If I want to kind of take a look at them side by side, I can also go back. So here's the latest version, and here's the old version. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Slides, I've actually written a book about Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's called Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped you, if you could like it and follow my channel, I'd be very grateful, and I hope to see you again soon.